The week-long training of 175 supervisors by Statistics Sierra Leone is in response to the annual census done by Statistics that monitor registered businesses and industries in Sierra Leone. Director, National Accounts and Economic Statistician of Statistics Sierra Leone, Maluma Andrew Gebi, said these supervisors trained during the one-week training are expected to serve as trainers for 700 enumerators that will see an increase to 1,000 manpower capacity.
We are here because we want to undertake what we call census of business establishment. And like I say, when you talk about census, it means every entity in that group. And in this case, we are talking about the business establishment. And what we want to do is a census. It means we want to count every business establishment. So while we are here this morning, we are here to train the supervisors. The supervisors who will supervise the enumerators. So we are training these supervisors in 3 batches. The first batch is of 60 people, participants. So we are going to train them, and then they in turn will train the enumerators who will collect the data. And they want to help that sector. There's all likelihood that you'll be selected because you are in that register. But also, like I said in my opening statement, we are doing this because we use this exercise also to estimate our gross domestic product, which is the GDP. The GDP is a way to measure progress of a country. The GDP itself is the output of the country. How much has this country produced this year? That is the gross domestic product. So the census has the responsibility to measure the gross domestic product. And one major source of our data to estimate is the annual economic survey. The annual economic survey is an extra from the census of business establishment. It is all an encompassing one. Like I said, the only business that will be excluded are the hawkers. Those that are applying, moving from one place to another. Those ones, it's difficult to track them. But those that even have umbrella, as long as they have a definite place where they sit, we are going to target them. The census is good for us, for our own activity, but it's also good for even the entities that we are going to enumerate, because they become part of the government agenda, and so that any policy plan around a sector, there's all likelihood that they will be selected because they are already in the list that government has.
The census of business establishments will secure statistics for business and industries that will track Sierra Leone's GDP growth. Samuel Pierce, AYV News, Freetown.